Good morning, everyone. It's your girl OPEYEMI Ayoola. This video, okay, I'm sure a lot of us have either seen on the news, internet, or watched the video of the late teacher, Mr. Matthew Odedokun.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ọpẹ́yẹmí ayéọlá ó ti sunkún jáde lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity tí ó wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa yìí. Arábìnrin yìí ó gbé jáde lénìí nípa insecurity tí ó wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa, bí wọ́n ṣe pa principal kan ní ìlú kan báyìí tí àwọn kidnapper jí gbé. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fọ́nrán yìí.
A teacher in Oyo State. This video is just to call the attention of influential colleagues with the platform and the voice or connection to please lend a voice to the masses. Lend your platform to the common man. I understand the election is around the corner. A lot of us are, busy with election. But unfortunately, we cannot pretend like we do not see what is happening. And it is also very sad and unfortunate that this is knocking on our doors. It is closer to home than expected. Oyo State. Oyo State is closer to home. Please lend your platforms. Lend your voices. Use your connection. Use your link to call the attention of the government, to call the attention of people of influence, our KBACs, our honorable, beautiful, lovely KBACs, the Oni of Ife, Olubadan, the Obas in Lagos State. Lege, Eniola Badmus, Alaja tí ó common, Laide Bakare. I'm so sorry I have to call few names. At least these are people that I kind of know have links and direct connections to the government. There's Monte Elliot. This is closer to home than expected. I'm sorry I'm not calling you all out negatively. I'm just appealing to please let your heart speak to you all right now. Use your voices, use your platforms. Use your connections to speak up for the masses, to call the attention of people whose attention needs to be called to this. I don't understand what is happening anymore. I genuinely and sincerely do not understand. This is sad. This is heartbreaking. This is too close to home. This is too close to home. This is too close to home. I do not want us to wait till it is genuinely or seriously in our homes before we start coming out on social media and lending our voices, using our pages, using our connections. This is too close to home. Hey, it is time a lot of us, I'm not saying call for any protest, riot, or anything. Use your pages, use your connections, use your links, use your voices. Funke, Tony. Me, I don't understand though. Sincerely and genuinely, OPEYEMI, I do not understand. Do not let us wait till this thing is directly at our door or our doors. Use your platform, use your voice, use your connection, ask questions, seek answers, try and see solutions. Let us all come together right now and find out what can be done. It is so sad that it is the masses who are suffering. The common man who is struggling daily to find livelihood and source of income, source of survival. It is very heartbreaking. It is very heartbreaking. Celebrities, politicians, our KBACs, our businessmen and women, our highly influential social media, celebrity social media. Hey. It is not a time to say, I don't care. It does not concern me. I'm running after my business. I'm looking for money. I don't think it's that time. Uli is Sunday Igboho. I don't know what's happening. I don't know politics. I don't get myself involved in politics. Please do something. Oyo State government, Lagos State government, Ogun State government, Kwara State government. Do something. Do something. Do something. Let us all try. This is scary. This is heartbreaking. Everybody should be scared right now. Genuinely, everyone should be scared right now. Please don't take all this personal. If I've mentioned your name directly, do not take it personal. Just see it as me trying to just call your attention. I know everybody is busy, running after life, running towards life. But let us pause sometimes to find out what is happening around us and see what we can do. This is closer to home. It is too close to home. And it is sad. President Omolodode, President TINUBU, Momiremi TINUBU. Help Nigerians. Say something. Do something. Act fast. God bless us all. God bless us all. God bless us all. And God save people, Nigerians living in Nigeria. God will continue to protect you all and us as well.